Hi, welcome to another episode of Homeowners Corner on My Home, My Sale. Today we're going to be talking about staging your home for sale by owner and giving you some budget-friendly tips. Selling your home for sale by owner can be a rewarding experience, and staging your property for a quick and profitable sale is essential. The good news is you can achieve an attractive and inviting look on a budget. In this post, we're going to talk about practical, cost-effective tips to help for sale by owner sellers stage their homes effectively. Number one, declutter and depersonalize. Before diving into budget-friendly staging, the first step is to declutter and depersonalize your space. Remove personal items, excess furniture, and clutter to create a clean canvas for potential buyers. This step does not cost a thing but can make a world of difference. Clean and freshen up. A clean and well-maintained home is essential. Deep clean your room, including floors, walls, and windows. Consider a fresh coat of neutral paint to give rooms a clean and modern look. Cleaning is low cost but can have a high impact. Natural light and ambience. Take advantage of natural light to make your space feel inviting. Open curtains and blinds to let the sunshine in. If you have limited natural light, strategically place mirrors to reflect light and create a brighter atmosphere. Furniture arrangement. Reimagine your furniture arrangement to maximize space and flow. Arrange furniture to create conversation areas and a sense of openness. This simple change can make your space feel larger and more appealing. Repurpose and DIY. Get creative with what you have. Repurpose furniture and decor items to save on cost. DIY projects like painting furniture or creating your own artwork can add a personal touch without breaking the bank. Curb appeal. Don't forget about the exterior. Boost your home's curb appeal by trimming bushes, mowing the lawn, and planting affordable flowers or plants. A welcoming entrance can make a great first impression. Accessorize thoughtfully. While you may want to invest in expensive decor, a few well-chosen accessories can make a difference. Consider adding fresh flowers or inexpensive potted plants. A colorful throw blanket or cushions can add warmth to a room. Create a natural canvas. Neutral colors create a universally appealing backdrop. Consider removing bold or outdated paint colors and opting for neutral shades on walls, allowing buyers to envision their own style. Make repairs. Fix minor issues like leaky faucets, loose doorknobs, and squeaky doors. A well-maintained home reassures buyers that they won't face immediate repair costs. Highlight key features. Draw attention to the best features of your home. If you have a stunning fireplace, make it a focal point. Showcase a spacious closet or a beautiful view. Emphasize what makes your property unique. By following these budget-friendly staging tips, you can create an ideal space that appeals to potential buyers. Remember, the key is to make your home feel clean, inviting, and versatile so that buyers can see its potential. Selling your home as a for sale by owner can be a successful and cost-effective venture with the right strategies. Don't forget to promote your beautifully staged home through our website, social media, and our newsletter to attract interested buyers and achieve a successful sale. This has been another episode of My Home, My Sale.